I'm well known for being the fire artist. My name is Steven Spazuk. I'm a visual artist. I work with fire. The idea of painting with fire came to me in a dream, and there was this black and white landscape. When I was looking at this painting, I knew that it was done with fire. If you take a torch and you attack the paper, the flame has a mind of its own. And it was fun because it appears, and I didn't have really a say on it. It was like standing in front row of creation. Fire is a symbol of power, but it's also a symbol of destruction. I like the paradox in it. Just by the process of working with fire makes me who I am. But the end result is always much more important than the process.